we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with Latte Go and the De'Longhi Eletta. Both look pretty slick, but I'm trying to figure out which is better.
Okay, let's dive in. The Philips model EP3241/74 is going for $599, while the De'Longhi Eletta, well, it's currently unavailable. That's a bummer right off the bat, isn't it?
Yeah, that's not great. Assuming your tape was available, what are the main differences?
Well, the Philips boasts 5 coffee types at your fingertips, including iced coffee. It uses ceramic grinders, which they say are good for 20,000 cups. And, it's got this aroma extract system, which sounds fancy, keeping the water temp just right. Plus, it's a bit lighter at 21.6 pounds.
Iced coffee sounds good. What about the De'Longhi?
The De'Longhi Eletta, it has the latte crema system for automatic lattes and cappuccinos. It's got a stainless steel burr grinder with 13 settings, which gives you more control over the grind size. It's also supposed to be super easy to clean, and that's always a plus. Oh, and it has a milk menu with options like latte and flat white. It's a bit heavier at 24 pounds, and its dimensions are slightly larger, so consider your counter space.
Okay, so Philips is focused on ease of use and iced coffee, while De'Longhi gives you more customization and milk drink options. What about the reviews?
The Philips has 4.1 stars with 20 ratings. Customers say it's easy to use and clean, and makes great coffee. The De'Longhi has a slightly lower rating of 3.8 stars, but from 11 ratings. People seem to enjoy the coffee and lattes it makes, also mentioning it's easy to clean. One complaint was it didn't come with filters.
Both seem to have happy customers overall, at least those who could buy the De'Longhi. The Philips being available and having iced coffee as an option is tempting.
It really depends on your priorities. If you want a wider range of milk-based drinks and are willing to wait for the De'Longhi to become available again, the customizable grinder might be worth it. But for readily available ease of use and iced coffee, the Philips seems like the winner. And it's cheaper?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.